What is the product carbon footprint of my polymer product? How can I increase the share of polymer recycling material in my production without harming the overall productivity or product quality? These are the central questions that our project CO2ptiMat, which is funded by the German Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Climate Action, is focusing on. Key challenges when calculating CO2 footprints of products, whether in the polymer, metal processing or other industries, is that it comes along with high efforts for manual data collection, and many calculations are based on inaccurate average industry data, so-called secondary data. So what makes CO2ptiMat special? Here is a short screencast of our software prototype for you to understand better what our software prototype is going to offer to the user. The reality in industry today is that a lot of data is only available in incomplete or aggregated form. First of all, we are developing a software prototype that uses so-called primary data directly from the production environment for more accurate calculations that can also deal with incomplete data landscapes. This should make the application possible for both smaller and larger companies with a digital infrastructure of different levels of maturity. Secondly, we aim to create transparency about interdependencies of product-related carbon emissions on the one hand, as well as relevant production KPIs on the other hand. This should lead to sustainability impact in an economic way and allow users to make more informed decisions based on financially relevant metrics. We are driving this project in a consortium of partners. Our INC Invention Center, together with our industry partners, Rehau, Turdex, and Meraxis, who bring comprehensive expertise in polymer manufacturing and material science to the table, as well as our research partner, the Fraunhofer Institute for Production Technology, which has deep expertise in digital and networked production technologies. Furthermore, our partner peer group is responsible for creating a standardized data model in order to allow scaling of the solution to other industries in the future. Keen to learn more? Connect with us to discuss how to calculate the carbon footprint of your products, how to drive sustainability impact against an economic background, and further relevant topics in the intersection of digitalization and sustainability.